high load, high heat generation, and high power consumption behind the rapid advancement of AI computing power. In practical applications, rapid temperature change test chamber can accurately simulate extreme temperature environments and drastic temperature changes, making them crucial testing equipment for products such as GPUs, AI servers, and computing boards before they leave the factory. They are used to perform temperature cycling, thermal strength screening, and agent testing on high-power chips and servo modules, quickly revealing potential hazards such as material fatigue, solder joint failure, and performance drift. The temperature range covers -70 degrees to 150 degrees, with a linear rate of temperature increase and decrease of 20 degrees per minute, and a fluctuation limit of plus or minus 0.5 degrees. The volume can be customized according to need. You adopt an efficient cascade refrigeration system paired with intelligent touch program control, and the data can be traced and exported. In response to the characteristic of AI computing power equipment, such as high density, high power consumption, and long-term full load operation, the equipment adopts uniform airflow design and multiple anti-condensation protection to avoid low flow overheating and uneven temperature distribution, which can lead to test distortion. It complies with testing standards such as IEC 60068-214 and JESC 22A104, providing a professional, efficient, and reliable environmental testing solution for AI computing power industry. Follow Sanwood Technology to learn more about environmental testing equipment.